Morning everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. Little chilly here this morning, but I have a beautiful truck for delivery today. It's sold, it's going to a customer. I just thought I would put this on there just to give you an idea of a few of the things that we do here and that are available if you've got some time. It's a 2021 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, 78-inch stand-up sleeper, 280 wheelbase in diamond white. And I guess if I was going to set up a truck and I was going to run a trucking company, this is probably how my trucks would look. Beautiful truck. 14-inch drop visor. It's painted. Add the extra lights on the top. One of the things I like to do here when we get a chance is just love it when there's diamond white, first of all. But I love it when we paint the ovals to match. You know, sometimes like if we had some purple ones that were purple on the top of the cab above that rivet line, so we did purple on diamond white for the Peterbilt logo. But I love the monochromatic. Just love that. Just a little touch, a little deal. 11R 24.5 Michelin tires, XZE2s up front with the Peterbilt oval wheels. And we've got the XDN2s on the rear. I'm staying on the front here. Nice painted panels. And you can see the lights. Down firing lights. Really like that look. Really fills those gaps in very nice. Same thing on the sleeper. See the down firing lights. Painted the def cover. We painted 100% paint on the tanks and left the straps polished. Painted the ends. Get out of the way here. Just a good looking, beautiful truck. Really clean install. You can take that light off if you want there. Somebody in the government trying to justify their job. No rear windows on the 78-inch. Did the logger mount antenna for the radio and the back of sleeper CB antenna. 6 load lights. And we got a jump post back here. Positive and negative. Get your pogo stick. Didn't do any access steps on this, just trying to keep a real clean look. Hudge built 30-inch quarter fenders. Michelin XDN2s, 11R 24.5s. Did 355 gears on this one since it's tall rubber. So it's going to give you about the same ratio as a low pro 24.5 with 336 gears. Holland FW 35 fifth wheel. Looks like we got about a 48-inch air slide on it. Disc brakes all the way around. Elias is going to be hauling in the Rocky Mountains. So we have full lockers right there, and got guards. Those are the guards on the temperature sensor. Full lockers, front, back, and inner, with switches for all of those, and disc brakes, which is much safer, especially in the mountains. Get the LED lights all tucked up and in because they'll be running in snow and ice. One thing we did differently on this one that Elias wanted is the Webasto heater. So what we can do with this Webasto heater is, those are coolant lines that are plumbed up to the engine. This can be set on a timer. It's an anti-idling device, but it's not an APU. I can be set on a timer. So let's say it's cold out. You can set it to come on at 5 a.m. and it'll heat up all the coolant in the engine and get the engine up to close to operating temperature and get your cab warmed up and defrosted and all the windows defrosted, so that when you show up at 6 a.m. to take off, everything's warm and ready to go. You simply start it, take off. So very smart idea, especially in a colder climate. This is a Webasto, excellent idea. I'm hoping we do more of these. It's just a very, very smart idea. Air-ride sleeper, painted 150 on this side. Again, the same lights. Just love those. Nice panels there. So take a look and I'll show you the Peterbilt logo on the nose too. It's also color matched. Just a nice touch. Just, you know, just a really nice touch. Air ride steer axle, disc brakes up front. Here's some of your plumbing for that Webasto heater, so that it can be shut off, so we don't need it in the summer, and it can also be shut off totally, so you don't have to drain any coolant to service it, or if you blow a hose or something like that. So Paul is one of our best techs back here in the shop, and he did an excellent job. Took us a little longer than we anticipated, but flip that up so I can shut the hood. Cummins X15, and yeah, it's a 565 2050 torque, Davco fuel filter, remote lube. I just absolutely love this visor and lights. Gorgeous. I know it's just white, but it's an incredibly classy white. White's just so easy to take care of. Platinum interior. Did the national seats. Did a rubber floor mat. And what's the weight on this thing? The weight on this is 19,196. 19,196. Telescope steering wheel.
Rebuild, and I'm like,
there we go. As you know, I get guys always call me out on full gauges. So there's your A panel, and here's your B panel, as full as I can get it. We needed a spot for the Webasto. That's your controller for the Webasto, so we just placed it there. Here's your 3 lockers, inner diff lock, front and rear axle, suspension dump, and your air slide 5th wheel here. AM, FM, Bluetooth. Cruise control, leather steering wheel, CB, and then we put the CB speaker back up here. There's your premium sound system. You got your speaker and your tweeter. Just a gorgeous truck. I just single bunk, not a double bunk. Got all the storage underneath there, and then we got a sleeper. Sleeper. We got a refrigerator here. And you got your comfort control back here. We didn't do a Webasto heater because we didn't do the S-bar heater because we did the Webasto heater. Sorry. Didn't have coffee this morning. Get a little more light in here. Premium mattress. Got the business center on this side. Closet on this side. So just thought I would show you this one. It is sold. I can duplicate it. And again, the Webasto, that's the one I really wanted to show off, is the Webasto heater, and what a smart idea that is. beautiful truck. Diamond white. Very classy. Two kinds of Peterbilt that are super, super classy, and that's a white Pete and a black Pete. They're just beautiful. Just very classic colors. Give you a good look there. So thank you for watching. Elias, I hope you enjoyed the truck. It's going to stay local here in Colorado, so I look forward to seeing it on the road. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Thanks for watching, and if you want to do a truck like this, just give me a shout. Thank you.